Maths part 2nd standard 10th unit number 1 similarity angle bisector theorem and converse part 4. Hello friends, today we are going to learn about this following activity. This activity useful to understanding angle bisector theorem. Here draw a triangle ABC and bisect angle B and name the point of intersection of AC and the angle bisector as a D. First measure here the sides AB. Measure the length of AB. Here the length of AB segment is a 6 centimeter. Then measure the length of side BC. BC is a 8 centimeter. Then next side AD. Measure the side AD. AD is a 3 centimeter and DC is a 4 centimeter. Therefore, ratio of AB upon BC, put the value AB is a 6 and BC is a 8. Here AD is a 3 and DC is a 4. So simplify 3, 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. The ratio of AB upon AC and AD upon DC is equal to same. Therefore, ratio AB upon BC is equal to AD upon DC. The ratio of remaining side AB upon BC and bisect angle divide two part side AD upon DC. You will find that both the ratios are almost equal. Bisect remaining angle A and C of the triangle and find the ratio of above. You can verify that the ratios are equal. Let's learn following theorem. Property of an angle bisector of a triangle. The statement of a theorem: the bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of the remaining side. In this theorem, given in a triangle ABC, bisector of angle C intersects segment AB in the point E. Segment AB in the point E. In a triangle ABC, bisector of C, angle C, intersects segment AB in a point E. To prove the opposite side of the angle in the ratio of the remaining sides. Opposite angle of the angle in the ratio of the remaining side. Opposite side AE upon EB and opposite side AC upon EB. AC upon EB. In this figure, construction draw a line parallel to ray C. Draw a line parallel to ray C, passing through the point B. Extend EC so as the intersect it at the point D. Extend AC so as to intersect it at point D. Point D. See the proof of this theorem. Ray C is a parallel to ray BD and AD is a transverse. Ray C parallel ray BD and AD is a transversal. Therefore, angle ray C parallel to ray BD, angle form here, first angle, this first angle ACE and angle CDB. This angle is a corresponding angle. Therefore, angle ACE concurrent angle CDB reason corresponding angle This statement is first. Now taking BC as a transverse. Now taking BC as a transversal, BC is a transversal, and this two angle this number second angle CEB and angle CBD are a alternate angle. These angle are alternate angle. Therefore, angle ECB conquered angle CBD. Therefore, this angle is alternate angle. Alternate angle. Alternate angle. This statement is a second. We know that in a given angle C is a bisector. Angle C is a bisector. These two angles are concurrent. Therefore, angle ACE concurrent angle CECB. ECB. This is the reason given. This is the third statement. But angle ACE concurrent angle ECB. Therefore, the angle ACE concurrent ECB and ECB concurrent to CBD, and therefore CBD and angle CDB and angle CBD are concurrent in a statement 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, angle CBD concurrent angle CDB from 1, 2 and 3. From 1, 2 and 3. In a triangle CBD, in a triangle CBD, angle first and second concurrent in a given angle first and second in a concurrent in a given. Therefore, first and second, these two angle CBD and angle CDB are a concurrent from 1, 2 and 3. In a triangle CBD, side CB and side CD are concurrent, sides opposite to concurrent angle. Reason is side opposite to congruent angles. Sides opposite to congruent angles. Therefore, side CB and side CD are concurrent. Side CB is equal to CD. Now, in a triangle ABD, segment C is a parallel to segment BD. Now in a triangle ABC, segment CE parallel to segment BD. This is a given. This statement fourth, and this is the fifth. Therefore, we know that basic proportionality theorem AE upon EB, AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CD, AC upon CD. Basic proportionality theorem, basic proportionality theorem. Here the value of CD is equal to CB. Write down the CD is equal to CB. Therefore, AC upon EB is equal to AC upon CB. This is the to prove AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CB. See the converse of angle bisector in this theorem to prove to given the given part is the angle bisector theorem to prove, and to prove is in this converse is given in a triangle ABC, in a triangle PQR, in a triangle PQR, point S, point S on a side, point S on a side QR, on a side QR, such that QS upon SR is equal to remaining two side QP upon PR. This is the given. This part to angle bisector theorem is to prove, and here the given converse of an bisector theorem is given. To prove ray PS bisect angle QPR, ray AD bisects angle QPR. This is the converse of angle bisector theorem.